What's going on, YouTube? We're here this morning. We have a no heat call. So you can see we're showering right now. Pretty ugly day. So here we got no heat. Gonna pop this open. See what's going on, because I feel the inducer running, but I put my hand and it's cold air coming out. So listen. Okay, so I opened it up and found it had a code for a rollout switch. I reset the power and it's running right now. Just gonna wait a while and I'm gonna start checking all the rollout switches in here and the one that's inside of the blower motor. Well guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to do too much with the damn rain because the electrical's right there. And I barely got any room. As you can see where the water's coming down from the roof. I think I might have found the issue. So after checking everything, so this unit, a previous technician put brand new rollout switches in a brand new board, and it keeps cutting off by the high limit. So I found these two guys, which he didn't bother to check because this one was wrapped up in tape. This one wasn't. So this is a 4 microfarad. This is a 15. This one's reading 12. This one's reading 2 something. So I'm pretty sure when this heats up, it's cutting one of the motors off, causing it to overheat and cut everything else. So I brought 2 new turbos to install. Okay, so I replaced both capacitors. Put that one secured right there. Wrote the date on it, microfarads. And secured it because it was hanging by the wires and covered with tape. So I'm pretty sure I'll be back to replace this one someday for the cool side. So let's see what happens. But let's get it back up and running. Make sure she runs and we should be good to go. Forgot to mention that I had to cut that wire, those 2 yellows, and cut their terminals and put them together. That one because these turbo capacitors only have one terminal deal, so you can put one wire. But since this one, see, this is L2, so that's the common on the capacitor. This other one is coming from down there, coming from the fan. So yeah, so let's get it up and running. Here we go. I'm gonna put the power back on. Let's see what it does. You got an inducer running, lighter, blinker on, fast. As you can see back there, let's just wait for the click for the blower motor to go. This is the only thing I don't like about these package units. They should have done separate panel here for the electrical, especially for the, when you're working on the heat, you got the inducer on this side, it's gonna bounce on that wall. If you have this open, it's gonna suck all that gas smell and all that stuff. So when I took this off, just to check, make sure there was nothing in there, no nest or anything at all. So see if the blower motor will kick on someday. There we go. You can see blower's running. Everything's running. So I'm gonna let it run for 15 more minutes. Nothing cuts off or anything. We should be good to go, because like I said, it has a brand new board, brand new limit switches. So I checked the amperage on the blower motor and it was good, even though it had a bad capacitor. So, and also on the inducer fan, it had a good amps too. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more. So for the past 2 days, I've been trying to film to go replace this compressor up at a roof in a church. Got a brand new jug there. Got a filter dryer. Got a new harness. So hopefully tomorrow, Saturday, I'll be able to film that and upload that video for you guys, because it's been raining this past 2 days and I haven't been able to do that compressor change out. So I need to go pick up my recovery machine and the recovery jug so I can have it ready for tomorrow morning. It says it's not gonna rain, so hopefully it doesn't rain and we can get that done and I can film it. Machine is still running, so hopefully everything's all good and it doesn't cut off anymore, because I checked everything else and it checks out good. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can, like I said, film that compressor change out and upload that video.